Hi children, how are you doing? Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to our school, Sri Vedata Universe School. So yesterday what we have done in our previous class, did you understand? Have you done your homework? Very good. So in your previous class you have learned about the nouns and proper nouns, common nouns, and I told you in this class I am going to tell you what are collective nouns. Collective nouns also you have learned in your second standard. So let us just see what are collective nouns. Noun, proper noun you have learned that it's the name of a specific person, place, animal or thing. Common noun is the general name of any place, animal, thing or thing. And collective noun is a group of people, objects or animals. If anything is in groups. Now I hold many pencils together like this, then what do we say? It's a bundle of pencils. Now if there are many people together at a place, then we say group of people, group. So bundle. Let us say example, bundle, group. Now, if we are talking about many monkeys, a group of monkeys are over there. We don't say group, usually we say group, but it's called troop. Troop of monkeys. For monkeys, what we say? This one is bundle of pencils, sticks. We can say anything for bundle. Group of, usually for group we use for people. Group we use for people. And troop. Troop is usually used for monkeys. If we are talking about many monkeys at a place, then we say they are a troop of monkeys. Now, let us see some more. Bunch. What we use bunch for? We use bunch of grapes. See, it is how are grapes? They are like this. All together, small ones together like this. So that's why it's called a bunch. Many small fruits together. So they are called bunch of grapes. Even bunch can be used for keys. Bunch of keys. Bunch of flowers. We say also bouquet. Bouquet of flowers. Bunch also we can use. So bunch of grapes or bunch of keys of grapes. Bunch of keys. And like that there are many family. If we are talking about our family members, then we say family. And cows. If there are many cows together, we say herd. What? Herd. Even for elephants, we can say herd. Flock. Flock usually for birds. In the evening, if you look at the sky, you can see many birds flying together. They will be going to their homes. That is called flock of birds. And also for sheep also we say flock of sheep. Many sheep together or many birds together. Group of, then it's called flock of sheep. So there are many names like that. Army of ants. Why the ants are called army of ants? Because if you see how the ants walk, they walk one behind the other in a line. If you see, they nicely form a line and walk in a line. So that's why they called army of ants. And players. If you take any players, they are called team. Team of players. And like that also you can say heap. If anything is poured like this, then it's called heap. Heap of sand. Heap of sand. And ships. If there are many ships together in the sea, if you see many ships in the sea, we can say fleet. Fleet of ships. What? Fleet. Fleet of ships. And so like that there are this many words which can be used. So you will learn more about the collective nouns, more collective nouns in your third standard. But in your second standard you had a few. Out of that I just gave you example of few of them. So for homework what I am giving for you is I gave you one small passage, means a 4 or 5 lines paragraph, out of which what you have to do, you have to find out the common nouns and the collective nouns. Like this, there is a, this one we are going to send you in a word sheet. So just this one I am showing you how it will look like. Collective nouns, and you there is a small paragraph where there are some common nouns, there are also nouns, common nouns and collective nouns. I want you to classify the common nouns and the collective nouns. The collective nouns you write over here, common nouns you can write over here. Like let me just once read. My little sister Rani was drawing a picture. Here Rani is proper noun, but we don't have a proper noun column, so leave it. Drawing a picture. Picture is a common noun. Rani said, I am drawing a fleet of ships. Now here you got fleet of ships. So that one is collective noun. You write under the collective noun. Like that. And sailing on the sea. Sailing on the sea. Sea is a common noun. And on the other side is a forest. Forest is again common noun. And a herd of elephants. That one is again collective nouns. This one you have learnt in your previous class. Protecting their cub. Cub is again common noun. From a pride of lions. All of you have watched Lion King's picture now, movie. In that one you learn, you have heard about this word pride. Pride of lions. When we talk about a group of lions, it's called pride. So pride of lions is also a collective noun. So just write the common nouns here and collective noun here. This page we are going to send for you so that you can read and write. I think you understood about the collective nouns and you learn more in detail in your third standard. So that's for today. Tomorrow we come again with another topic, verbs. So okay children, have a nice day and goodbye.